All right, we're coming to you live here on 220, where we've had an accident involving a pickup truck and a fire engine. Here's the pickup truck that was involved. The state police are investigating right now. As you can see, they're backing up a ballpark wrecker here, or a hauler would be probably more accurate there. But you can see it's the Fieldale, actually it's Fieldale Fire Department that got hit here. You can see the fire engine, so forth. A lot of damage to the bumper, extensive damage to the bumper. As you can well see here, it's extended out because they have these pretty sophisticated bumpers anyway. But you can see apparently the white pickup truck damaged the bumper there extensively. As you can see, more police or more volunteers back here in the pickup truck. State police is investigating here on scene. Doesn't appear that anybody was hurt too bad. It is backing traffic up here as we have our harbor towing traffic report going on right now. All accident coverage on Star News is sponsored by Harbor Towing. And they're actually bringing this is a unique hauling vehicle where they can bring it down like that. So they got the damage there at the beginning. And it looks like they're going to go ahead and put the vehicle on top of this hauler. So they're monitoring the damage here, taking a look at it, trying to bend it. But it looks like they're going to be moving the vehicle on top of this ramp. If it doesn't take too long, we'll watch the process here. They're a little concerned with that bumper hitting the tire. So a lot of front end damage there to the bumper, but it doesn't look like anybody was severely hurt or anything. Lots of traffic out today. Now they're going to be moving the truck on up as it goes over the debris a little bit. They've still got some debris out there on the road they're going to have to take care of. The wrecker service always has to do that. If you can look at the tires, that's pretty neat. Underneath the truck, you can see the tires extending back out to straighten things out. Isn't that neat? Look underneath there. See there? That's kind of amazing. So it looks like they've been able to clean up all the mess. The Virginia State Police investigating today. But you might want to avoid through here. The traffic's moving pretty slow. But good news, it doesn't appear anybody's severely damaged. Just a little hurt feelings out here. Charles Work, Star News.